RenewTech is a comprehensive solution for the restoration and maintenance of your vehicle's interior and exterior. Whether it's reckless trolley jockeys or sugared-up kids in the back, life has a way of leaving its mark on any vehicle. With RenewTech, you can counteract these little dents, scuffs and scratches that not only ruin the look, but also the resale value of your vehicle. There are no fee increases if you do use your benefits. The RenewTech exterior solution includes a range of maintenance and restoration services like scratches and dents smaller than 15 centimeters, windscreen chips, and restoration of mag wheels and wheel rims. The interior solution includes scratches and scuffs smaller than 15 centimeters on the central console or dashboard, restoration of roof lining and repairs to headrests, as well as tears, burn holes and stitching to seating panels. Your benefit limits are refreshed every 90 days while your plan is active. However, unused benefits cannot be carried over. With RenewTech, you always win. If you don't use any of the solutions within a 2-year period, you'll qualify for paintwork treatment and air conditioner regassing benefit. RenewTech is the most hassle-free and best way to maximize your car's resale value. As with all our smart solutions, terms and conditions apply. M-Sure is an authorized financial services provider. M-Sure, welcome to more.